All right, huge thank you to everyone that helped us hit that 50,000 subscriber mark. And if you don't recall, we are doing a giveaway of the RX-7 diecast model car. So with that being said, today we are announcing the winner, and there is just over 220 entries today. We're gonna go ahead and flip the camera around and spin the wheel and see who's the winner. Schaffer Bra. We're gonna go ahead and try to reach out to you via YouTube. It does make it a little bit hard for us, so if you could reach out to us either on Instagram @JustDriven or email us info@justdriven.com. Show us a screenshot that you are a subscriber, and we'll go ahead and get your contact info from there and mail this diecast out to you. Again, if you didn't win this one, there are more giveaways coming in the near future, so stick around, enjoy some content. We have big plans for 2024, and we'll catch you guys later.